everyone, this is Alisha Lakhani from SHMC Gujarat, and today we are going to discover some of the most important tips that can help you study 10 hours a day. Yeah, 10 hours seems to be a lot of time, but that is possible. So if you really want to study 10 hours a day, first of all, you need to ask one question to yourself. Is it possible to study 10 hours a day? Definitely it is. It sounds very insane, but it is definitely possible. I know when my university exams were there, like for the first year, how much time did I pull out, and actually I was studying for maybe 9 to 10 hours a day, and I can definitely tell you how I did that. And I know some of my friends who spent more than, they spent like 14 and 15 hours a day and studied, but that is not actually required, and I do not even recommend such amount of time, because you need to put in a lot of concentration also when you're studying. So I am going to cover maybe 5 or 6 tips that you can apply in your daily life, and if you are someone who needs such amount of time or ample amount of time to study regularly for maybe 10 hours a day, then this video is for you. So keep watching until the end to discover these tips. So let's move on to tip number 1. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to plan out what you actually want to do in your day. Whenever you wake up, you need to have this to-do list, okay? That is what I carry along, and I write the most 3 important things that I want to do today. And I make sure I complete it in the morning time, because even if that is led for afternoon or evening, that demoralizes you. So to motivate you more and more, write down 3 main important things that you want to cover today. For example, I want to cover 1 chapter of my book, so I have to, that is my to-do list number 1. My to-do list number 2 is I want to make notes out of what I'm reading. I'm gonna read in that chapter. And number 3 is I want to also revise and make a video on that. So that are on my top list, and I make sure that I do it in the time of the morning, because that is what gives you self-motivation. So that is what you exactly need to do. You need to complete your top 3 priorities or top 2 priorities in the morning, which would motivate you to cover the less important things as well. So when you're done with the most 3 important things, you can switch on to the less important things in afternoon and evening. So that is one of the ways that would help you to study 10 hours a day. So that is my tip number 1. My tip number 2 and a takeaway is schedule your timetable accordingly, where you can take breaks in between. So research proves that when you take certain breaks, your mind works more efficiently and effectively. So do that, take breaks. Now by breaks, I do not mean you have to sit on the screen, watch some videos. That is not what I'm talking about. When you are taking rest, your mind needs rest, your mind needs peace. So you can either close your eyes, you can listen to the music, or maybe you can also exercise during that time. So you need to utilize your 10 minutes to relax your brain, instead of pushing your eyes into some pain and watching screen, maybe chit-chatting. That is not something that I'm referring while telling you to actually rest. Okay, so that is one of the important thing that you need to understand here. Definitely you would also have time to chat with your friends and also look at the screen, but that is only 2 hours a day that you can allot. If you are wanting to study 10 hours a day, you need to maximally put 6 or 7 hours of sleep, 2 hours of whatever you do in terms of chatting with your friends, watching videos, 2 hours of your meal taking, and the rest is the amount of time that you have for studies, and you can divide it accordingly and take breaks. And when you take breaks, make sure you do not use your phone, because you have 2 hours extra that you are gonna utilize for watching those videos and chatting with your friends. So if your examination is near, you need to make yourself aware that you have to do this, or else you would not be able to clear that exam or the amount of marks that you're craving for. So put social media aside, put YouTube aside, and watch motivational videos, or you just listen to listen to the motivational speaker and shut down your eyes. Your mind needs to relax, your eyes needs to relax. So that is one of the most important things when I say that you need to rest. Now number 3 is exercise daily. Take out 10 or 15 minutes of time whenever you wake up, after making your to-do list, and after settling your mind what you have to do today. Sit down for 15 minutes, do some yoga or some exercise or anything that would soothe yourself and would be a great start for the day. So that is some of the important thing that you need to realize when you want your brain to work very efficiently. That was my tip number 3. Now the tip number 4, and the very most important tip, is making mind maps. When you're studying, you are not just studying for completing the syllabus. You actually want to study because you want to remember those things. So making mind map is one of the most important and crucial point and part of studying 10 hours a day. So when you're putting in that much amount of time, you also need time to revise and recall. So for that, when you are forming a mind map and studying, it is definitely very easy for you to remember, and also to remember for long time. So that is what we actually crave for, how to remember some things, or something that would be long lasting in your brain. So mind map is the only solution. You can see most of the videos that I make, I draw maps or I draw charts or something that would be easier for me to recall. Only one chart and my whole topic is done. So that is the way that you can adopt for studying, and that would definitely help you to reduce your hours as well and put in more efficient amount of studies that you do in that span of time. Number 5, the tip number 5, and the last tip for today would be not overthinking and not overdoing. Now when you have 10 hours in your hand, and when you plan a lot of things on your plate, you have a lot of things to do on your plate, you would end up doing nothing, and that would only and only discourage you. So when you're planning to study 10 hours a day, first of all, try it out for 2-3 days or 5 days or a week. Plan small short goals that you can complete, and do not overachieve. Do not think of overachievement, that would let your morale down. So make shorter goals, and goals that you can actually achieve. So for example, today my goal is to complete one chapter, but if I know that chapter is very long and I'm not capable enough to cover that chapter, then I should not make such goals. You need to set some realistic goals and complete that. So that were my only tips to study 10 hours a day. I hope these tips would be helpful for you in your studies. And for watching more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the red button, and if you like my video, please like it and also share it with your friends so that they can take the maximum out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.